Did you know that businesses with Google business profiles are 94% more likely to be considered reputable? 92% of searchers only pick results from page 1. And there's been a 500% increase in the near me type searches in recent years. The stats on the screen demonstrate how important getting your Google business listing right is to you. But how do you make it the best you can? Well, here are my tips. Number 1, you keep it active. That could be as simple as just uploading a photo once a month to show something new or interesting that's happened within the store. Leading on from that, my second tip is to use images. Maybe upload a photograph of one of the team, because people buy from people, but images are a really powerful way to get your Google listing noticed. Still on the theme of images, point 3 is about promotions. You can upload pictures of your windows, your promotions, whatever's on offer now to showcase what you've got. And actually, talking about what you've got to show off about is another great way to keep it active, back to point 1. Tip 4 is about FAQs. There's lots of questions that consumers could be asking you. Responding to them in a timely manner and making sure that your information is clear and accurate is really important. Not only does it keep the listing active, but it engenders trust, and it makes the consumer looking at that listing think, well, these are a business who've taken the time to share that information, and then they may make the effort to come and visit you. Tip 5, very similar to FAQs, is reviews. Now, we want to encourage as many reviews as possible. Generally, people are quite polite, but you will get the odd negative one. It's still important to answer the negative reviews politely and fairly and appropriately, because I'm sure, like me, you look at the top reviews and you look at the bottom reviews when you're choosing a business, and the way that the business has responded to the reviews tells the customer a lot about the kind of business they are. So, responding to reviews is really important, and it keeps your listing top of search. The 6th tip is arguably the most important: keeping your opening hours accurate and up to date, because it's so frustrating for a customer if they've checked on Google, trusted the data they find there, gone to your store or restaurant and bar, only to discover the opening hours are wrong and you're closed. So that probably, above all, is the one that can cause the most customer frustration. So if you do nothing else, make sure you update your opening hours. If you're going to be open longer or shorter hours for, say, bank holidays, seasonal events, or staff training, just update it. On that point, make it a habit. Spend half an hour a week checking the reviews, responding, looking at FAQs, responding, popping on a photograph, and generally working on that listing, because the more active and alive it is, the more content rich it is, the more likely people will want to come and find you as a result of what they found on Google.